If you see this error, it means that Windows doesn't support the video you're trying to play. More specifically, the video uses either an unsupported format or codec. The fixes? Don't worry. Follow me to see 2 working solutions in this video. First, download and install free HD Video Converter Factory. Open it and click Converter. Click Add Files or drag the video into the program. Go over to the Format section. Pick WMV or H.264 that Windows supports. Next, select where you want to save the file. Finally, hit Run and wait a moment. Once the conversion is complete, try opening the file in a video player. If you want a more direct way, just try using a different media player, such as VLC, which is way more powerful than the default ones offered by Windows. Simply install VLC from its official site, and then open your video with it. Well, I hope these 2 methods help you, and if unfortunately, your video still won't play, it's most likely corrupted, and you may need to re-download the video or repair it using a video repair tool. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.